In this calculation, it asks one of the LEDs in a TV weighs approximately 4.17 milligrams. Some LEDs are composed of gallium arsenide. How many moles of gallium arsenide are found in the LED, a single LED? It also asks if a TV contains 3,576 individual LED crystals, how many gallium arsenide atoms are in the TV? So this is composed of two calculations, and so we're going to treat them separately. You can combine them in a variety of different ways. So I'm going to take my 4.17 milligrams of gallium arsenide, and I'm going to convert that into moles. So in order to do this, we need to eventually divide by the molar mass. First, I'm going to convert my milligrams into 1 gram. So for this calculation, I have set it up where 1 gram equals 1,000 milligrams. You could also set it up as 1 milligram equals 1 times 10 to the negative third grams. Both of these are correct. You just need to choose one. From there, I'm going to use the molar mass. So in this case, the molar mass of gallium arsenide is the mass of gallium plus the mass of arsenide, and that's going to give me a number of 114.64 grams in 1 mole. And this gives, when I plug this in my calculator, 3.67 times 10 to the negative fifth moles of GaAs. So that gives me the first one. Now, there are a variety of ways where you could answer the second part. I'm going to answer the second part about how many atoms are in a TV by starting at the beginning. You could use the moles that you found and complete your calculation. So I'm going to take my 4.17 milligrams of gallium arsenide and multiply that by the 3,576 crystals. So now we're going to pick up with the calculation above. We have 1,000 milligrams and 1 gram. We're going to go ahead and divide by the molar mass of 114.64 grams and 1 mole of gallium arsenide. And so then it asks how many of these atoms are there? And we know in 1 mole of anything, we have 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd gallium arsenide compounds. From here, when I plug this into my calculator, I get 7.83 times 10 to the 23rd gallium arsenide atoms. If by chance you would have preferred to move on from the first calculation, so if we have 3.67 times 10 to the negative fifth moles of gallium arsenide, and this would be in 1 LED, I'm going to multiply that by 3,576 LED. So that just would give you the number of moles, and then we can go ahead and go on 1 mole of gallium arsenide is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd gallium arsenide, and that will give you the exact same answer here. So either way is valid, they both get you there.